The topics, exercise, questions, examples which are removed from the syllabus of class 11th for this session, that is 2020-21, are chapter wise in chapter 1. In chapter 1, sets, and the topic removed is difference of sets and complement of sets and properties of complement of sets. Example based on difference of sets or complement sets are example 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, and exercise 1.4 question number 8 to 11 are removed from syllabus for this session, and also exercise 1.5 all questions removed. In chapter 2, that is relations and functions, algebra of real functions are removed from syllabus, and examples based on algebra of functions are examples 16 and 17, and miscellaneous exercise question number 7 removed from the syllabus. In chapter 3, trigonometric functions, general solution of trigonometric equations of types sin y equal to sin a, cos y equal to cos a, tan y equal to tan a, these parts are removed. And example 14 to 20 is not part of syllabus. And exercise 3.4 all questions removed. PMI full chapter is deleted from syllabus. Chapter 4. Chapter 5, in complex number and quadratic equations, polar representation of complex number, square root of complex number are removed from the syllabus. Example 7, 8, example 16, and exercise 5.2 all questions removed from syllabus for this session. In chapter 6, linear inequalities, whole syllabus is part of syllabus, means there is no change in chapter 6. Chapter 7, permutation and combinations, derivative of formula NPR, NCR is not part of syllabus. Chapter 8, binomial theorem, whole chapter is deleted from the curriculum for this session. Sequence series, sum of special series, that is sum of first n natural number, sum of square of first n natural number, and sum of cube of first n natural numbers are removed from the syllabus. And example 19, 20, and exercise 9.4 all questions are removed from the syllabus. Chapter 10, straight lines, shifting of origin, and equation of family of lines passing through the point of intersection of two lines, which was included in the syllabus just before 3 years, is now removed from the syllabus. And example 20, 21, and 22, which is based on this topic, is also removed. And exercise 10.4 all questions not part of syllabus. Exercise 10.5 also all questions not in the syllabus. Then chapter 11, conic sections, a point, straight line, and pair of intersecting lines as a degenerated cases of a conic section is removed. Then next chapter, chapter 12, in 3D, whatever given earlier is a part of syllabus, there is no change in chapter 12. In chapter 13, no change in syllabus. Chapter 14, full chapter is deleted, it is not part of syllabus. Chapter 15, analysis of frequency distribution with equal means but different variance is removed from the syllabus. Example 3, 9 and 13 which is based on this is also removed from the syllabus. And exercise 14.4, all questions not part of syllabus. In chapter 16, two topics are removed from the syllabus, and example 9 to example 13 is not part of syllabus, and exercise 16.3, all questions removed from the syllabus.